Hey guys, I'm Brent Rose, tech writer and pouchless marsupial. Now, you may have been hearing about powdered alcohol. It was just recently approved for sale in the US. Despite that, a lot of states have already gone ahead and banned it outright. Why? Because people are afraid their upstanding children will be sneaking this highly concentrated booze powder into Sunday school, spiking each other's juice boxes and snorting lines of it off each other's genitals. Which would be terrible if it weren't almost certainly completely impossible. So today we're going to be whipping up a batch of our own. We're going to see if we can get drunk on it. We're going to see if these concerns have any basis in reality, and we're going to see really if you should be giving a shit at all about powdered alcohol. So we don't know exactly how the commercial version of this stuff is going to be made. The best working theory came from our friends over at Pop Sci, who posited that it would be a neutral grain spirit and a tapioca maltodextrin. Now this stuff is really interesting. It's been used in molecular gastronomy because it's really, really powdery, super absorbent. Let's whip up a batch. So if you remember, we used 30 grams, which is just over an ounce of 151 proof spirit, which is about 2 drinks worth. Thank you. So here we have our 2 drinks. Basically, you're getting a 10% ABV drink. So like a really weak wine or a really strong beer. Let's chug these and see if we can get a buzz. Oh, it was like drinking bread water. Let's make some more. Well, a spoonful of sugar and red dye makes the medicine go down. Oh, God. My body is never going to forgive me for this. So we noticed there was a lot of stuff accumulating on the sides, which makes us think I should probably drink it. Screw it. Oh, it's so toxic. It just keeps getting worse. It's a vulcanized flavor. So it's been about 20 minutes since my last drink. I feel disgusting. I've got a light buzz going on, but my stomach just feels like it's full of glue. Let's move on to the 2 things that people are really, really concerned about: spiking and snorting. So, spiking a drink. For this, we're going to try to use the exact same volume that the commercial version will have. Let's put it in a baggie. We'll see how easy it is to spike a drink. Am I slurring my words? Maybe. So this is 29 grams, or what will be 1 drink's worth of powdered alcohol in the consumer version. In the consumer version that comes out. Shit, I'm getting drunk. So we've got 2 cola beverages here. They're dark. They should mask color changes. There's no ice in them. Add it in. Let's stir. Somebody stepped away from the bar or is looking the other direction. Some evildoer is trying to put about an ounce of alcohol into their drink. Which, let's be realistic here, that's already pretty stupid. You're not worried about somebody spiking your drink with alcohol. You're worried about somebody putting roofies in your drink, which dissolve pretty much instantly and are tiny. So I've been stirring for about a minute now. You can see there's still pretty big chunks in there. Okay, it's now been 5 minutes. My wrist is killing me. Even if the commercial version dissolves twice as fast, there's just no way that anybody would go through this much trouble to spike a drink with an ounce of alcohol. By comparison, here's an ounce of alcohol. Spiked. Why wouldn't you just use the liquid version? There's no conceivable reason to use powder for this nefarious purpose. That said, I'm still going to drink it. Ah. So snorting. The number 1 concern that people raise is that kids are going to snort this stuff and get instantaneously super drunk. I'm here to tell you now, there's absolutely no way that's possible. Here's why. This is 1 drink. You would have to snort all of this to get the alcohol of 1 single drink. So I'm by no means an expert on this sort of thing, but my understanding is that a typical line is about 1/10 of a gram. Each of these lines here is about 1/2 a gram. So these are gigantic lines. You would have to do these 30 lines to get 1/2 a shot of alcohol. I can't believe I'm about to do this. For the sake of science, this is like 1/10 of a line here. Oh, fuck me. Okay. Yep, it instantly burns behind my eyeball. I can already feel that side of my nose closing up. It's burning all the way over onto the other side of my nostril now.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, God. So that little bit that I did sucked. I would have to do 600 times that amount to get one shot of alcohol in me, when I could just take the shot. Even if somehow a person were able to get a full line into each nostril, your nose would just close up after that. There's just no possible way that kids are going to do this. There's no way. I'm sneezing like crazy. God. So what, if anything, did we learn here today? I had about 4 drinks made with powdered alcohol. It got me a little bit buzzed. We learned that spiking somebody's drink with it is totally impractical, and we certainly realized that snorting it is ill-advised, stupid, and completely inefficient. All that being said, can you imagine a use case where this would actually be a useful thing? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to Wired if you haven't already for more videos like this. And with all that being said, we've only got one thing left to do.
Come here. So what was the plan there?
Yeah, we were going for a big elaborate flame ball, and it didn't quite hit.